Hi friends, welcome back to All Rounder Kathy. In this video, I'll show you how to make a nativity crib using paper. Take a A4 sheet paper and glue both the pieces together and draw the pictures you want. I have drawn the important characters of the nativity crib. Now to make the shed, I am using a sage color paper. You can use any color you want. You can make the shed in any measurements you want. Both the sides are around 5 centimeters and this slanting line is around 10 centimeters. And the height is around 12 to 15 centimeters. Cut the proper size of the walls of the shed. Fold the sides so that it looks like a room. Now cut a total of 4 1 centimeter slits in the bottom and the top. After cutting the slits, fold the paper like this. Make a roof using the same paper. Don't cut the exact size for the roof. Cut a bigger one. Then make a base using the same paper. If you want the base to be in a different color, then you can use a different colored paper also. Make 2 windows that can be opened. Now it's time to glue all the pieces together. The Christmas music in the background of this video sounds really pleasant. Do you like Christmas music? Tell me in the comment section below. This year, like I did the last year, I'll be uploading a lot of creative Christmas crafts. So if you're interested in watching that, hit the subscribe button right now. Last Christmas, I uploaded a DIY Christmas Holi video. So it was a huge hit in my channel. So it was around 25k views. So thank you so much for that support. Keep supporting me. And also, if you haven't yet watched my last year Christmas videos, go quick and watch all those videos. If I reach 2000 subscribers within the end of this month, I'll be uploading a bigger version of the script. Now for the finishing touch, add some artificial grass. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye. See you in next video.